We're here again. We are back. We're back here. Today's Wednesday NFP week, so should be a bit careful. Let's look what happened. We open up wide here. Let's quickly mark it on the micro as well. Right here. We opened right here, and we had this like a simple consolidation. So what happened in this week already? So we have a Monday and Tuesday, and we went up, closed the daily SIBI here, and now we're stopping on the high right here, and now having a retracement inside of this order block and potentially even going into here. I can say for now. So yeah, on Monday and Tuesday we pretty much just go up, retracement, extend the range, go up, and retracement, and go up again, and now we have that retracement again, or potential reversal towards the Monday low. So we already opened like 13 minutes, and price is pretty much slow right now because before we opened on 9 opened and went pretty fast downwards, and we almost took down the low right here of lunch yesterday. So we almost did that. We just failed, and I think that could be a potential draw before I'm gonna take any trades or any longs if I'm gonna go long. On ES we kind of the same. We have buy side. We have more buy side right here, so that makes me think that we're gonna go higher. Like this is not the high of the week, I know that, but I could see it retrace again a little bit deeper inside of the range right here into this daily CP busy. With this weak balance. But for now we just stay inside of this busy, and we can't even body inside of it, so I'm still bullish. This daily volume balance is my eye on NQ, of course. This daily CBS my eye above this highs. This is my jaw on the for this week. So yeah, we went in the upper portion of this daily CB here. Opens up into the high content of this old new week open gap, and went lower now is on this down candle plus this CE of the daily CB. So yeah, again, the Monday low right here. Is it possible? Yes, it's very much possible, and that's why I'm kind of like, am I bullish? Do I want to push higher, or am I gonna take the lows first? And it's kind of like I don't really know. It's a Wednesday NFP. It could just accumulate. It could just wait, stay inside of a range, and then for Friday to really move. But for now, I'm just gonna wait for the for the news. Our RTH is around 100 handles. Look this. Look here. Yeah, 100 handles. We're on the discount of the day, of course. We had a daily order block. That's this candle right here. On the micro, we inverse the cap, so this we didn't have a volume balance right here. So it becomes an inversion gap. Hitting this. So it's kind of like I'm looking for higher. Should we take down these lows? I don't think we have to. We have to take down these lows. I kind of like the idea of taking that lows first. Also, but I truly want to stay inside this 1 hour busy. If we go below it, then I probably would say, and close on a closing basis, then I would say that we are going to go to the sell side, and then I could do something maybe in lunch or in PM or last hour. We see. But for now, we're just very slow after like a quick move at 9. We didn't have it. We didn't have any news right here. Just like a quick move. And I was just waiting, waiting for some sort of move happening. Could wait the first hour and wait for around 10:30. We could go earlier. We see probably at 10 we're gonna see something. And we could just let this low stay there. On Dixie, we clear the lows, and then we cleared the lows right here. And right now I could generally see it a little bit the same. It could retrace it could go lower. It's just a bit, yeah. I find it hard. We're now on the low on the reclaimed. So yeah, I can see it both ways on Dixie OIM. We did the daily inversion, CE right here. We're also staying inside of this busy. Same is kind of hard right here. Could you chase into this busy? Could go higher from here. So I just need to be careful and just really, yeah, just look at the market with logic. And if I don't know, it's simply I don't know. That's fine. I need to accept that. It's okay for sitting still. Although that, like the pressure again of the time with the minutes is getting there again. So yeah, we see. Now I'm just gonna wait for something to happen and then okay, so we hit a buy side right here. We eventually hit the news right here and we went up. The hourly candle and we went up. Right here, around here I would say that it's kinda like I wanna see how we're gonna react right here. It's a 1% of PM. That's around right here. This gap. At my eye a little bit. Okay, if we go through this and closing above it, then I would say that we could maybe close in the gap of the RTH and potentially even go to the buy side. Need to watch Dixie as well. Dixie is going lower. We're still going lower than Dixie. That doesn't help a lower NQ. That's kind of problematic for it to go trade lower. So we have an SMT right here with the YM. Let's quickly go here. So you have an SMT right here with YM. SMT with YM. But if you're gonna go below the first percentage, I'm pretty confident in for it to go lower. Been recording for a long time. This recording. So if you're gonna go below the first percentage, I would say that we kind of want to see lower prices. Of course, we had a new 1 hour open up right here, where we are opening, went higher, the SMT, and went lower. Opened, went higher, SMT, and went lower. And now if you're gonna go above this first percent PM, I'm pretty confident for it to go trade out into the buy side liquidity. Yes, inversed, everything inversed. It's a slow market. I'm not gonna risk a lot. That's the reason. No, we want to see it close in the first percentage. If you don't gonna do that, then if there's gonna be a losing trade, what it seems like, because I don't like the fact how we are trading for the first percentage. I didn't really want to see that, but we still in. If I'm wrong, I'm probably gonna sit still today and go say maybe PM, like a maybe, because today has been not as good. And yeah, then we're gonna go maybe PM, and I don't think we're gonna go trade PM. Then we could say, uh, yeah, then tomorrow, like this, I want to go out of the trade already because of the fact that we went below the first percent of PM yesterday. It's probably gonna be a fast stop out. The time doesn't really, I don't, what, like the time that I took the trade doesn't really, make sense as well. I have the chance to go out right now and say we have 48 bucks. I'm gonna still be in. It's lunch right now. I expect lunch to do something. Of course, if you look at lunch, where are the stops of the AM? You're gonna say this, and that's probably a reason why you should go out. But I expect this to be traded down into. I'm still bullish, as I said. I've told her going lower, slowly going up. Uh, I think this is like the manipulation leg right here on the non-close, and then we could go reach higher. But we had the chance there to go out, and I didn't do it. Let's go break even, because it's not the type of trade that I usually do. So when break even, I'm gonna make a picture of it. Why did I break even? Is it a good break even if I'm in a trade where that I usually take? No. Is it a good break even? Like I'm taking this trade, and we are in the high resistance, so you could expect some retracement more than you want. I really want to see this busy stay open, and it's a trade, and we just took buy side after we entered lunch, and we have equal, so that's a reason where I would say, okay, I'm gonna take my risk off. We're just gonna take one off the CB, but yes, and then the rest is take off dice. Yeah, it's done. I thought about the continuation, and it's the last portion. Just didn't to buy side. We just engineered more also on the yes. Probably later this day or tomorrow. I don't expect much for today. So here's after the fact, after the session finished, the PM session as well. As you see, it was just like a consolidation overnight, huge manipulation, and it's a slow high resistance win up towards the overnight buy side. So yeah, we were right in the direction of this draw here, and that was my draw. I was looking at for a lunge. Eventually, we did not take down this lows. We just let them stay there. SMT with YM, and it was like a high resistance day. Wasn't probably not the best day to trade. Let's look at this. You could have got hurt pretty easy right here. Yeah, just went higher. Did not take any sell side. It's like, I don't know why, but I feel like when there's like high resistance, when I higher towards like a target, the sell side always, not always, but like a lot of the times they're not going to be taken. It's something I'm gonna look at. But yeah, we did okay today. The break even was good. The decision to go break even. Unfortunately, we didn't get the partial that we wanted on this CB. But it's fine. Break even. You see, we delivered quite slow. Look at this, and then eventually the last hour we just ended up consolidation as well. Now we opt for a new day. What do I expect for tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday NFP. I think I'm gonna be there. If you look at the 1 hour, let's look at the daily. We traded into the order block today. We supported that, and we now inverse this gap as well. So this is not a daily CB high. This is a daily inversion high. Let's get this off. This is daily inversion low. So now I expect price to go inside of this wick tomorrow and potentially the year, but I don't think we're gonna do that tomorrow because we have got NFP Friday, of course. We can do that. But yeah, we built also like a lot of sell side here, sell side here, sell side here. Also on the S, we have sell side, a lot of sell side, a lot. And of course here, the target is the daily volume imbalance. Dixie has been going lower and lower, and we touched this old suspension block. I don't know what Dixie is doing. Straight into this busy on the monthly, but yeah, I'm not sure what Dixie wants to do. Yeah, so tomorrow we bullish. We could sweep those lows because we could just go higher, hit the target, and then for Friday just to dump lower because we have like a lot of sell side engineered, like a lot. But yeah, we need to be careful for tomorrow. We're gonna do our best, and then that will be it for today.